Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord's uthando nesithembu things are happening. Can you allow me to say Umseleku is the man that he thinks he is? And I'm not saying this because I'm disrespecting you all, but I'm saying this because Ugai has mastered this game. I don't know how, I don't know when, but Ugai has mastered this game. All right, fine. Let's start with Khumalo, right? Initially, when the whole thing started, Umseleku was not for IVF, but he's now considering it, understanding Uguti, how much having a child would mean to Uthobile, right? What I love is that he did not make the situation about himself, he made the situation about Uthobile. Also understanding Uguti, Uthobile has sacrificed a lot for this family. Now, the family has to bring something to her, give her something, some gratitude. But Uthobile then asked Uguti, by now, I think Uguti girl understands the dynamics of the wives. To say, Uguti, if you come there and you don't perform in the parliament, the family is not going to be happy. So uzoyenza kanjani ukuthi uperforme eparlament and at the same time be able to abstain, because you are supposed to abstain for a whole week so that when we go there your testing is stronger. I Umseleku athi no, make no excuses, I will be ready. The only problem kuzoba uMayeni, because uMayeni expects the performance, so that angathi ukuthi ya ngikutshelile ukuthi uzohluleka. So when it comes to uMayeni nje ayemele ayenze something ukuthi ithini. So I explain ukuthi no, where necessary or where I can, I'll say I am tired. So let's see what's high. Uma ngwabe vela hashem. Kuyalalwa nje kungayenziwanga next lapho ke umtight and then umacele izomjabulisa ukuthi Umseleku akakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke because sekamdala. Right. So Khumalo might get what she needs. Ugirl might get what she needs, and I am rooting for her. I do not want to lie. I believe she will have a beautiful child or beautiful children. If God allows, can they be twins? And girl raises two beautiful children that she will spoil, that will wear beautiful fashion and whatnot. I don't know her personally, but even in my personal space, I do pray for Khumalo to have her children that she will carry to term, that she will hold in her arms, that she will enjoy. I think Uguti, it's a very painful situation for a woman to long to have kids and not be able to. But with that said, siyabonga Mseleku, and congratulations to Khumalo for the possibility of this being a reality. Right. Then we move to Bani, to Umacele going to Walomdan Usni. Guys, whether you like it or not, whether a victim or not, Usne is just something else. Usne is difficult to be with. Usne is just like that. But I think maybe it's her way of getting attention, even though it's attention in the wrong manner. It's her way of saying, I'll be shouted at, but they will concentrate on me because I don't do 1, 2, 3. Ugo uivila uidlapa. Her house is dirty, the dust. Yo, guys, like yo. If I was Umacele, I was not even going to be able to drink Lea Coca Itelile. Really, I was not going to be able to. Like yo, I might be lazy myself, but I hate a dirty house. Like I don't know, I can't cope. Ugel is coping. Ugel is relaxed. Ugel is okay. But they rounded out on the issue of Ugel having to change her surname, and I think that has been talked for a lot, so it's now tiring. I'm not going to touch on it until such a time yenzeka. This one is as tiring, the surname changing issue is as tiring to me as Magwabe's threat to leave. Sharp. Then we come to Umacele. Can I start by saying Ugirl looked stunning. Ugirl looked beautiful in that blanket on her diary session. Ugirl looked proper. I was like, yes. Right. Umseleku is a wise man, and I'm repeating that because of this particular part, right? Ugai was able to marinate Macele's family. Nabo, he gave them a sheep. Now, this guy is calculated. He might deliver a ship in all families. I don't know, not sure about Macele's family, but he might deliver a ship in all families, right? Now, to him, this is smart because, I was so worried when he delivered it Kabama Kumalo, and I was like, kulabafazi abakhuluma kangaka. But the family, okay, they understand this tembu, and they said they were told ukuthi isithembu soyenzakala, and they are happy, and it looks like Umseleku has a good relationship with Macele's side of the family, because abo malume, abo brother, abo whoever, they are happy with the polygamy. They do not care. Even when they saw Samike's face ukuthi lo Shemi 2000, to them it meant nothing. All right, so the introduction was done, where first Umseleku had a discussion with the family Yakacele, and then they asked for a cow for each wife that has been added, because they said initially when Umseleku added the first cow, he was adding a cow for Umasawuli. So now that a cow for Umasawuli was added, a cow needs to be added for Umayeni, a cow needs to be added for Umakumalo, a cow needs to be added for Umangwabe, a cow needs to be added for Usamke Umakwela, right? For me, it's a lot of an ask. It's honestly a lot of an ask, considering Uguti. I think the first cow was to just let them know Uguti, I am a polygamist and I'm going to run my household like this. But families differ. So with that said, the family saw the whole situation. They were called, and then if Umakwela wangena, mangena Umakwela, she obviously came with her family members that she trusted or whatnot. But what was surprising is the episode or the brief where Umakwela was talking to her mom, explaining Uguti she's dating Umusa. Now that part was not played. I was expecting that part to be played last week or last episode, but we move. Maybe a multi-choice realized that they should have played that part first, and then they did not, right? Okay. So Ugo came with those family members, and she saw a lot of people. She was not expecting that huge number. However, they gave her a proper warm welcome. The Cele crew, the Cele members welcomed her. They were happy to see her, even though they saw Uguti Alo Upikinini. Now the problem on their faces became when the Usamke was introduced to the children, and it looked on the introduction that Usamke and Usne are familiar with each other. And then Umacele asked Kanti Kamban. Usne then said, no, we are bosoms. But honestly, if Usne is not acting, if Usne is acting, he's a good actor. If he's not acting, then that genuine look was shocking, because Ugo looked properly shocked to say, and emotional and a bit sad, because you could see her eyes were red, to say, vele, ubabam now, my friends. I don't know. But Umpilo saying, hey, mingamlumi impumulo ngenze. Umpilo ngamthathi serious, ne? I love Umpilo, but I think sometimes Ugo superficial. She wants to be too clean or whatnot, but Usne rather was properly traumatized by seeing Usamke is going to be her stepmom, and now Usamke is her friend, meaning Usamke and Usne can no longer be friends, because as friends they talk about their partners and stuff. So Usamke can never discuss Umseleku with Usne. I don't know. What were your thoughts about this episode? While you're at it, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.